Welcome back to Buy Smart, the place where we compare products so you can spend less time shopping and more time doing anything else. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with a showdown between the Fujifilm X-T30 and the Canon EOS R50. Two heavyweights in the camera ring, but only one can walk away with your hard-earned cash. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Fujifilm X-T30 is priced at a cool $899, while the Canon EOS R50 comes in at a budget-friendly $799. Reviewers have noted that the X-T30 is a great investment for its quality, but many also appreciate the lower price of the R50, making it an attractive option for those looking to save some cash for other expenses. Now, what about image quality? The X-T30 boasts a 26.1 megapixel sensor that delivers vibrant colors and minimal noise, making it a favorite among reviewers who admire its stunning image quality. Meanwhile, the EOS R50 features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor that offers excellent performance for beginners. While both cameras are praised for their image quality, the X-T30 tends to stand out for its superior capabilities, especially in low-light conditions. Let's talk autofocus. Reviewers rave about the X-T30's super-fast autofocus that locks on in just 0.02 seconds, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. The R50 also impresses with its dual-pixel AF that covers 100% of the frame, making it a strong contender for tracking subjects like pets or kids. While both cameras excel in this area, the X-T30 is often highlighted for its speed, making it a top choice for action shots. Moving on to video capabilities, the X-T30 can shoot 4K at 30 FPS, and even slow it down to 240 FPS, which has reviewers excited about its cinematic potential. The R50 also shoots 4K, and features a close-up demo mode that users find helpful for quick focus adjustments. While both cameras are great for video, the X-T30 is often recommended for those looking to create high-quality cinematic content. Let's not forget about creative control. The X-T30 offers 18 film simulation modes and dial-based controls, making it a favorite for those who love hands-on shooting. Reviewers note that it feels like a professional camera with its retro design. On the flip side, the R50's advanced A+ assist makes it extremely beginner-friendly, but some users might miss the tactile experience of the X-T30. Overall, the X-T30 is often seen as more for the creative enthusiast. In summary, the Fujifilm X-T30 is praised for its high-quality image capabilities, creative controls, and fast autofocus, making it a perfect choice for serious photographers. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 is appreciated for its affordability, beginner-friendly features, and solid performance, making it a great entry-level camera. So, there you have it. The Fujifilm X-T30 may be a bit pricier, but offers stunning image quality and creative controls that'll make you feel like a pro photographer. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 is budget-friendly and packed with features that make capturing life's moments as easy as pie. Just remember to save some for dessert. Whichever you choose, just make sure to share your photos with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another camera showdown. Until next time, keep buying smart, and may your pictures always be in focus. Product links are in the description.